Well, I'm originally from Manitoba. I have 2 children and a husband. My kids are almost grown at this point. I spent 19 years in the Canadian Forces with an administration background, and I really thought that going into real estate was a natural second career. And I'm now doing mortgage brokering. Been licensed as a realtor since 2007. Just recently got my license in mortgage brokering. I'm in real estate because I just really like architecture. I really like homes. I like seeing different types of homes. I like seeing people happy about homes the way I am happy about homes. You know, showing a buyer around, going into different houses and seeing their eyes light up when they find that perfect home for them and their family is just absolutely amazing. Well, the buyer normally doesn't pay a commission. Normally it's a seller that pays a commission. There are cases where a buyer may choose to see a house that's for sale by owner, and in that case we would definitely still go and pursue getting the seller to pay that commission. I have not, since I've been doing real estate, charged any of my buyers commission, and that's part of the reason that I get all my buyers to sign a buyer brokerage, is so that we understand how we're committed to each other and how we're going to work our business relationship. Well, for sellers, our commissions are fully negotiable. What we do is actually sit down and actually discuss commissions and figure out what you are willing to pay and come up to an agreement. Now, there are certain groups out there that we've actually committed with, like for example, with the federal government for relocation moves. We've committed that we would only pay the maximum reimbursable amount. Well, both buyers and sellers are a joy to work with. The buyers, of course, it's a faster pace relationship, and usually the relationship's a little bit shorter than the sellers. Although you never know, because even with sellers, the pace is slower, but both buyers and sellers require the same amount of work. Well, really, I've got experience in both residential and commercial. Just a little bit of experience in rural, but I would like to, of course, expand my knowledge on that one, and plan on doing a few more courses to be able to expand my knowledge. Other than that, what I really enjoy doing is actually getting that first-time buyer into the home of their dreams. Now, in a lot of cases, of course, they may not be able to get financing, so we do work with investors that will be able to get a first-time home buyer into their home by them paying for the home. So therefore, that's a facet where you're putting both commercial and residential together.